Welcome back to eComHardy.com. Today, we're diving into payment gateway plugins for WooCommerce website. First, payment plugins for Stripe. WooCommerce by Payment Plugins. Seamless integration with Stripe, smooth checkout experience. Perfect for any product or service. Next, Stripe Payment Plugin for WooCommerce by WebToffee. Powerful plugin, complete customization options, handle refunds, manage subscriptions, and more. Another great one, payment plugins for PayPal. WooCommerce by Payment Plugins. Securely accept payments with PayPal. Advanced features for smooth transactions. Last but not least, PeachPay checkout and payment for WooCommerce by PeachPay. All-in-one solution with Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Simplify payment options. Those are the top 4 payment gateway plugins for WooCommerce. Make your choice and enhance your store today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos from eComHardy.com.